The European University of Post-Industrial Cities, frequently known as EUNIC, operates in 8 countries. Its network consists of 225,000 students, 8,000 PhD students, and 31,000 staff, as well as nearly 30 associate partners. This extensive European-wide network is excellent for harnessing brainpower across Europe. At EUNIC City Labs insights, ideas and best practices are shared and answers to societal challenges are sought. EUNIC City Labs brings diverse people together: students, researchers, city stakeholders, organizations, and citizens to participate in events of many shapes and sizes: workshops, hackathons, sprints, panel discussions, interviews, courses, in order to collaboratively identify societal challenges, co-create solutions to these problems, and ultimately implement the created solutions locally. EUNIC City Labs brings science to the city and contributes to the resilience and renaissance of Europe's post-industrial urban centers by examining challenges that are related to EU's urban agenda. It discusses themes such as diversity and inclusion, green cities and sustainability, urban resilience and transformation, digital transition, and aging population. The problem-solving process of EUNIC City Labs follows 3 main steps. First, challenges, root causes, and core problems are identified locally. Secondly, the identified societal challenges are solved at EUNIC-wide co-creation events where heterogeneous teams tackle the challenges collaboratively. Leveraging the diversity of the EUNIC network widens perspectives, magnifies creativity, and boosts problem-solving, which could even lead to finding solutions to wicked problems. Ultimately, local experts and administrators offer support and guidance for materializing created solutions and connect creators with necessary people and resources. The aim of these local events is to help implement the most viable solutions locally and identify ways to overcome barriers for societal impact. This is EUNIC City Labs, where students, researchers, city stakeholders, organizations, and citizens are empowered to identify local societal challenges, co-create solutions to these problems, and ultimately implement the created solutions locally to drive societal change in post-industrial cities.